Good day everyone. For my first demonstration, I will show Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. The materials I will use are a glass, a card, and a coin. First, I will place the card on top of the glass. Then I will put the coin on the top of a card. According to Newton's first law, an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an external force. And now, for this activity, I will quickly flick the card sideways. As you can see, the card moved but the coin stayed in place for a moment because of inertia. Then gravity pulled it downward into the glass. This demonstrates that objects resist changes in their motion. The coin wanted to remain at rest even when the card was moved. So, for my second demonstration, I will show you the Newton's second law of motion using plastic bottle and some books to add mass. First, I will push the empty bottle with a small amount of force. Once again. As you can see, the bottle moves easily because it has less mass. Now, I will place books on the top of the bottle to make it heavier. So watch closely. I will apply some force again. This time, the bottle moves slower because the mass increases. So, the explanation to this is Newton's second law of motion states that acceleration depends on force and mass. When mass increases, more force is needed to move the object faster. So, for my final demonstration, I will show you the Newton's third law of motion using paper ball and a rubber band. As I stretch this rubber band, energy is stored in it. And now, the rubber band is applying force to the paper ball. I will release the rubber band. According to Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The rubber band pushes the paper ball forward, while the paper ball pushes backward against the rubber band. The force act in the opposite direction, but are equal in strength. This demonstrates how action and reaction forces work together to create motion. This demonstration shows the Newton's three laws of motion explain the movement of objects in everyday life, and thank you for watching.